Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on animations in WhatsApp for emojis and GIFs. So without wasting any time, let's get started by going to the App Store and then in the search bar type WhatsApp. Make sure that the WhatsApp is updated to the latest version so that you don't see any problems. Once you're updated to the latest version, simply tap on open, type your passcode and then tap on the use section, and here what you need to do is simply scroll down and tap on the appearance. Here tap on animations, and here you can see the emoji sticker gives. Simply just toggle this option on for all of these. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.